Welcome back to the vlog. It's gonna be a good week. I get to bake literally hundreds of cookies today. It makes me so anxious and scared and nervous. So glad I took them to the vet, otherwise Ziggy would probably not be here with us right now. Today is Saturday. I have done a massive clear out of this room. Last week was just a bit of a write-off, so there was no vlog last week, but I'm starting this one off on the weekend. I feel like my space is just so clear now. Like there's no like ugly cupboards or anything, and I know it was just a small little thing, but it has just made the world of difference, so I'm very, very happy about that. I am about to get stuck into designing my wedding invitations because we're doing a lot of DIY things because I'm a designer, we can do that, we can save money, and yeah, so I have sent out the save the date. You're currently sitting on top of a bunch of Christmas presents that have been delivered. It is around like mid-November right now, and it is just making me so happy. We were planning on putting up the tree today, but we did a little road trip down south just to pick up some plants from Marketplace. We got a new cactus and we got a ficus. Very happy about that. We are turning into such gardeners lately. But yeah, hi. Welcome back to the vlog. It's gonna be a good week. The end of the year is coming and I can just feel the Christmas vibes, and everyone is about to just be so chill and happy. And I'm just so excited for this time of year. Happy Sunday. I'm about to head to work. It's gonna be a busy day as always. I'm leaving a little bit early this morning because I just need to drive around and listen to some good music to get in a good mood. Sunday is always just the busiest day and I just come home exhausted. So I need to have something fun in my day, you know? So I'm gonna start it off with the music that I like, and I'm probably also gonna go to the beach as well and just sit and watch the waves before I have to do this big day. I feel like I've just been listening to a lot of everyone that isn't Taylor Swift at the moment, and I feel like my mood is a bit affected by that, so I think I'm gonna put on some Taylor Swift. Okay, we've got But Daddy I Love Him, Who's Afraid of Little Old Me, I Can Do It With a Broken Heart, and The Smallest Man Who Ever Lived. It's gonna be a good drive to work.
So I leave from the gallows and I levitate down your street.
This one needs to be really loud.
I can handle my shit, bitch, smile. Even when you wanna die, breaking down, I hit the floor. I'm so depressed, I act like it's my birthday. 'Cause I'm a real tough kid. I can handle my shit, 'cause I can deal with a broken heart.
'Cause I'm miserable. And nobody even knows. What a great song. Okay, I'm running a bit late, so I can't go beach this morning.
Was any of it?
Okay, I've just pulled up at work. Normally, me and the girl I work with on Sunday, we park over in this other car park, and I'm reversing a lot now because of her, because she reverses. And I'm like, well, I'm gonna reverse and be next to you and we can be twins. But today, she has parked in like the main car park. And so I thought I'd just copy her. I'm now parked in the main car park. Hopefully we don't get fined. I didn't want to park in the other car park all by myself, you know? Anyway, it's time to go in. Oh, it's gonna be a busy, busy day. It is perfect weather today. The wind is dying down. It's gonna be 33 degrees. The life-saving thing is on. It's just gonna be such a hectic day. But we got this, we can do it. We can do hard things. This is me at 3:30 p.m. Did not have a good day. It was so hard and stressful, and oh, my back is so sore. Oh, I'm not having a good time. Maybe I just need to scream some lyrics and just get in a good mood for the afternoon. That scream. Okay. Hi, it's Monday afternoon. It is currently 4:33 p.m. I just feel so exhausted every single day that I finish work. So I had a bit of a small shift today, so it wasn't too bad. Every single day that I come home, I just have no energy for anything, which is really sad because I finish at a pretty good time. Like, I still have the entire afternoon to do things, but the problem is I just don't have any energy to do things. So what do I do? Oh my god, weird people are hanging around my house. Oh, that always just makes me so nervous. I completely forgot what I was saying. Yeah, I just don't have any energy to do anything. I want to get out of it. I want to be able to have energy to actually do things, and I just don't know how to get like more energy. I don't know. Maybe I just need to eat better. Maybe I need to drink more water. I don't know, just the basic things. But I'm just feeling so exhausted every single afternoon. And I hate it. I hate feeling exhausted because then, you know, I can't go run around with the dogs. Like, I feel like I just need to lay down for the next 12 hours. I'm also just looking at my calendar of things I have to do, and I work at the cafe every other day, and now all the days in between that are filled with baking cookies, decorating cookies, packaging cookies, literally all the way up until I leave for my trip at the end of December. It's really stressing me out. I probably shouldn't have said yes to all of this work. I actually need to change around this calendar because my roster for the cafe has changed, because I'm leaving for weeks and weeks over Christmas and they need to replace me with someone. So my roster is now all changed around to train up this person to do my shifts when I'm gone, if that makes sense. It's just a bit much. I think I can hear Rowan's bike. Yep, that's Rowan. See ya. Good morning. It is a very gloomy, rainy day today. I don't know if you can hear the rain outside, but today is a very, very busy day for me. I need to bake so many cookies, which I'm so grateful for, but I'm also a little bit concerned that my life is just too busy up until I leave, because I've just I've just allowed so many people to order cookies, and I don't know, like, it's great for business. Like, I can't believe it's this successful, but yeah, I'm getting a bit stressed on how busy my days are getting. So I have lots and lots of cookies to bake today, and then if I have any time at the end of the day, I'm just gonna clean the house. But yeah, my day today is basically just consisting of baking cookies, which is just such a cool thing to say. Like, that's part of my life. I get to bake literally hundreds of cookies today. I'm excited. I am so So excited to bake cookies all day. Ba-doom. Don't know what the vibe is going to be today. I had the best time the other day just screaming to Taylor Swift on my drive home. I think I filmed it. I think you would have seen that. But I don't know, what do I want to listen to today? Ooh, actually, you know how on Spotify it says like concerts near you? Gracie Abrams is coming to Perth on the 16th of May. Actually, it's probably all sold out. Not that I should be buying tickets now because it's Christmas time and we're just spending so much money on presents, but if there's any left, maybe I'll go Gracie Abrams. Anyway, this is a waste of time. I need to find a song and get baking. I've actually created this playlist called Serotonin on Spotify. I'll leave it linked down below. I have so many Spotify playlists for any like mood that you're in. If you're into the same kind of music that I'm into, I pretty much listen to music in every single vlog, so you might have the same taste as me. But I have this playlist called Serotonin. It's currently at 2 hours 21 minutes. But it's got Miles Smith, Mark Arbour, Niall Horan, Olivia Rodrigo, Mansionaire. It's got Machine Gun Kelly, it's got Good Charlotte. It's literally got so many. Foo Fighters, Blink-182, Chapel Roan, Mimi Webb, Black Eyed Peas. Like, it's just One Direction. The whole thing. Like, it's just got so many different artists in it. And this is just like my favorite happy playlist. So maybe because it's so gloomy outside, maybe I'll put on the happy playlist. So earlier today you would have seen that I was at the vet with the dogs. So they ate some rat bait, which I just completely freaked out over. So I called the vet. I'm like, oh my goodness, what do I do? And they're like, yep, just bring them in like in the next 10 minutes and we'll assess them. We'll get them to hopefully bring the rat sack back up. We did that, but nothing came up. So we're gonna have to go and give them a blood test on Friday, which, oh, I cannot believe that this has happened. Like, they literally just eat everything they can get to, and oh, it makes me so anxious and scared and nervous to know that they'll just eat absolutely anything. So hopefully, because we didn't see anything today, there's nothing in their system, but you just never know. So we're gonna go for a blood test on Friday, and yeah, that was my eventful afternoon. I'm just making some lamb chops and roast potato for dinner. Oh, I actually don't have, what's it called, an oven tray. I used all my oven trays for cookies earlier today. I just had to wash that without water because Rowan's in the shower, and every time we use water from anywhere else when someone's in the shower, it just goes completely cold. So we are chatting to plumbers about that, and I feel like there are just so many different moving parts right now. Like, we've got the van to think about, now we've got the dogs to think about as well, we've got the water to think about, we've got Christmas presents to think about, we're traveling soon, like I need dresses for this business event that's happening Saturday, like there are just so many things that I need to be thinking about. There's like cookie orders, it's all just happening. But I guess that's just life, isn't it? Potatoes going in the oven. Please set a timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes starting now.
Thank you. Does anyone else feel like they need to say please and thank you to Siri or like any AI thing? Because, oh my gosh. Because I feel like AI is just always listening and you gotta be nice. Also, these are back at Aldi now. The little Christmas Bundaberg drinks. So good. Yum. I just took the boys to the vet. I've just been running around all afternoon after I finished work, and Ziggy actually has rat bait in him, so not great. So glad I took them to the vet, otherwise Ziggy would probably not be here with us right now. I need to try not to cry. We have this stuff to give him like every single day for 28 days, and then he needs to go back into the vet, but we're not going to be here. It's going to be my mum here. And the boys were so naughty at the vet. Like, so many dogs came in and they were just barking. Like, normally it's me and Rowan that go in, and like one of us holds them or one of us like goes outside with them while the other one pays, but it was just me, and they were just barking, and I almost had a panic attack because this guy was like looking at me. It's like, oh my god, like shut your dogs up. But like I was trying to pay, I was like juggling everything, juggling Ziggy's new medication, and it was just a whole thing. So now I'm very overwhelmed. I'm just not having a good time because I cannot believe that there's actually rat bait in Ziggy. Oh. Anyway, I'm gonna do the grocery list so we can go get the grocery shopping done. It's Friday Arvo. I'm gonna open my packages, and then we're just gonna have a chill night because I am stressed. Hi, it's Saturday. I have just been so anxious since yesterday when I found out the news that the rat bait is actually in Ziggy. And I haven't been able to eat. I was barely able to sleep. Like, my nervous system, I feel like, is just shutting down, and I've just had the worst day today. Like, I cannot get out of my head that it's gonna end in the worst possible situation. And anyway, I have an event tonight, so I need to put on a happy face, like nothing's wrong and everything's perfect, and I'm gonna straighten my hair, I'm gonna get in a cute little dress, I'm gonna show you my outfit, I'm gonna do my makeup. It's gonna be a good afternoon. Cannot seem to shake this feeling. I feel like I've just ruined one of the best things that's ever happened. I don't know. I think he's gonna be fine. He's got medication, but it's just really, really difficult. Hi.
No.
Good. Do you want to straighten some for me? Oh. Okay, so I only really have one makeup look that I use for everything, so I think I'm just gonna do that today. I don't really know how to do makeup or how to do anything else. I think I'm gonna go with this pink lipstick. I think I got it in China, so I don't even know where it's from. Earlier today, I was like straightening these little bits, and they went down to here, and I said to Rowan, I'm like, is it a bit crazy, but can you like cut my hair for me? And he's like, what, like 2 hours before an event? And I'm like, yes please. And so he cut it, and I think it's like the perfect little length now. So this is the final look. I got these earrings from Lavisa maybe like 5 years ago, a really long time ago. I got this dress from Shopo maybe 2 years ago, and the shoes are from Pretty Little Thing. Got my little fake nails from Kmart. Peep my gorgeous engagement ring. And this is my gorgeous Ziggy boy. Do you like my dress, Ziggy? Oh, you're so pretty. I love you, Ziggy. He's starting to get hair back on his ears, which is lovely. If you didn't watch my vlog a couple of vlogs ago, we took him to the groomer and they shaved him right off. Let's go to this event. Do you want to be in it?
Oh, why not?
Beautiful.
Congratulations to the finalists. Only